Hi, my name is Alejandro Rivero.
Hello, my name is Keanu Guzman.
And my name is Christopher Coipel.
This is the Dr. Epling class, SPO 30701, and we are going to talk about the Van Perry project. In our project, we will be talking about the Van Perry background, the facility, the pricing, and the seating plan of the event. The background is the American country pop music group. The group consists of Kimberly Perry, Ray Perry, Neil Perry. Hip to My Heart was the first single they released in August 2009. Debut album, The Van Perry, released 2010, sold over 2 million albums.
Now I will be talking about the facility. The date of the event will be on September 7th, 2019. The event will be held in Williamson Arena, and this is located in Tropical State University. The seating capacity will be a total of 8,000. Again, the total amount of seats is 8,000. They are divided into 4 sections, which are the west section, the north section, the east section, and the south section. The west section will have a total of 1,864 seats. The north section will have 2,193 seats. The east section would have 1,712, and finally the south section will see 2,231 people. Additional information is that the maximum on-floor seating is 796. The maximum skyboxes suite seating will be 325. ADA seating is 142, and this includes companion seating and is not permanent seating on concourse.
For fixed expenses, we have to pay back the student activity fee, also known as a SAF, $72,500. The event costs added up to $20,000. The cost to get Van Perry to perform the concert is $125,000. Adding everything up, it amounts to $217,500.
In this slide, we will be talking about some taxes and fees that will be deducted from our total gross. Starting off with the sales tax, which is 7.65%. It was calculated to be exactly $19,751.97. The ticket cost, which is 25 cents per ticket, came out to $1,815.21. Box office sales added up to $3,308.04. After adding them all up, the total comes out to $24,875.22 exactly. The next 2 slides we will be talking about how we broke down the prices for tickets in each section. The price for skybox seats came out to $75. Front floor seats are $55, and floor back seats are $45. In the north section, chair back seating will be $45, while regular seating and ADA seating in the north section will be $30. In the south section, both ADA and regular section seating are $30, and west section seating will also come out to $30 as well.
The total gross ticket sales came out to $258,195.70. To get the net profit, we take away from total expenses that went into setting up the concert, which added up to $217,500. Then we take away from the total deductibles, which is $19,751.97. And the money that was returned to the SAF was $7,910 with 24 cents, leaving us with a total net profit of $7,910 with 24 cents. That's our video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.